Hi class 1, good morning. Welcome to EVS class. Children, in the last class we have learned chapter 5, our food, in page number 29. So we are going to continue the same chapter today. So please all of you take your EVS book chapter 5 page number 31. Okay children, did you all take chapter 5 of food in page number 29. In the last class we learned this chapter of food, and we learned about the meals we eat, how many times we eat in a day, that are breakfast, lunch and dinner. 3 times a day we eat. And what are the food we eat? Okay, there are many kinds of food. Raw materials, cooked one, etc. That fruits, nuts, bees and other cooked food, vegetables, etc. we eat. Then we saw in the page number 30, we get food from animals and plants. Okay, we learned plants we get vegetables, fruits, and the animals we get ghee, fruit, cheese, butter, etc. Okay, today we are going to learn the new topic, food for different ages. Yes, when you were very small, you had different very solid food. So now you have grown up, you will have different food. So now let us see who will have different food. We eat different kinds of food as different age. Okay, a baby drinks milk and eats soft food because it has no teeth. Okay, when child is small, it will eat milk, drinks milk and eat soft food. Then we eat food like milk, egg, grains and fruits, vegetables and meat as we grow up. Okay, when the child drinks milk and soft food, but when it is grown up, we eat fruits like milk, egg and grains, fruits, vegetables and meat, etc. Okay, we also eat special food when we are sick. So when we are sick, we have very special food where to get better. So when people grow old, they start losing their teeth and they also eat soft food. Okay, what will happen? As we grow, people get old and they need very soft food because they lose teeth. And when we are sick, we eat very soft food in order to get better. Okay children, so these are things we learned in the chapter, when we eat, what food we eat and the food for different ages. Okay, in this chapter, what are the values and the life skill we are learning? That is, we should not throw the food or waste food, and we should eat plenty of fruits and vegetables. We should not eat fruits which have been cut or left uncovered for long time. So they all make us ill. So the special value, the life skill what we are learning is, we should not throw the food and we eat good food, vegetables and fruits, and we should not eat the which is uncovered for long time. Okay, they will make us sick. Okay, see here one small question. What should you do if your friend offers you food that you do not want to eat? When your friend gives you to eat food which you do not like, you can tell your friend, sorry friend, I will not eat the food because it won't accept for me. Okay, that way we can tell politely. Next we are coming to points to remember what we learned in this chapter from page 29 to 31. First we learned We all of us need food and water to live. Most of us eat 3 meals a day. What are they? Breakfast, lunch and dinner. Second, our food comes from both plants and animals. Next, we learned we should eat fresh and well cooked food. Babies and old people eat soft food. Sick people eat special food to get better. Okay, then the food which comes from both animals and plants, what are they? From plants we get fruit, vegetables and grains. From animals we get milk, eggs and meat. Okay, these are some of the points that we should learn, remember. Next, please turn to page 32. Here we see some words, new words which gives us for learning. Okay children, look at these new words. There are 8 words and the meanings are given. So we'll see first one, energy. What do you mean by energy? The power that a body has to do. The second one, meals. The food that we eat certain times of the day is known as meals. Third one, breakfast. The first meal that we have in the day. Okay. The lunch. What is lunch? It is a meal we eat in the middle of the day. Afternoon, part of the day between noon and evening. Dinner, the last meal of the day that we have in the evening. Milk products, what are they? The food made from milk. The last one is the stall, the food that is no longer fresh and healthy to eat, which is selling in the roadside. That will not be good food. So children, with this we end our chapter 5, our food. We learned in the chapter when we eat, what food we eat, and how old people will have different food in their time, and the food that comes from plants and vegetables. So now we are going to see the exercises of the chapter. Okay. The chapter exercises, first one, A, match the column. We could match with A column with the B column. Okay children, so now look at the A column. First one, milk. Second one, tree. Third one, egg. Fourth one, plant. So now we are going to match with the B column. Okay. First one, what is given? Milk. The milk will match with the, what will match? It match with cow. So we will draw the line from 1 to the B in the B column. So cow will give us milk. Okay. Second one, tree. It will match with what? We'll see. So the tree will give us fruit. So now we are matching the second one with the D. Okay. It will give us fruit. The third one is egg. What will give egg? Hen. So now we'll match the third one with the A. Hen. Okay. The hen will give us egg. The fourth one is plant. The plant will give us what? Vegetable. So we are going to match the fourth one with the C. Okay children. Now we have done the match the following with the A column with the B column. Okay. So we end our class here. This exercise is your class work. Please do match the A column with your B column in your book and learn the word meaning. Okay, this is your class work. And the homework is, come to page number 33. Do and learn. The first one is your homework. So what you will do? Make a list of food that you are eating in a week for the following meals. What are they? For breakfast, lunch and dinner. What you are going what you are having in a week for breakfast, lunch and dinner. You will ask your parents and write down in your copy or a diary and keep it for your learning and to understand what is your meals of the day and the week. Okay, this is your homework. The second one and third one we'll do in the next class. Okay children, we end our class here, so please all of you to read the chapter, the new words and do the exercises in your book. Okay children, we end the class here. Wish you all the best. Do well.